Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Brian. My teammates are Jake, Will, and Rob. Our project is SmartDocs, an intelligent note-taking app that finds research as you go. To begin, let's consider some common challenges with research today. First, it's time-consuming to find relevant research. It's difficult to foresee what other topics may be relevant to you, and it's hard to work in a vacuum. We built SmartDocs to address these challenges. To show you how is my colleague Will.
Thanks, Brian. Let's see how SmartDocs resolves some common writing challenges. I'm going to begin using SmartDocs. I can start writing a document of my own with the personal editor, but today I'm joining a forum on a topic that others are talking about. If the list of topics is long, I can enter electric cars in the filter bar to easily find the right topic. I'm starting to compose my document in the left window while Jake and Rob are writing their own notes about electric cars. While we're each writing, we can see each other's notes in real time by simply clicking the person whose notes we want to see. So now I can see Rob's content on electric cars side by side my own. If I want to see what Brian's writing about, I just click Brian's email address in the Users panel, and the Peer Notes window switches to Brian's notes. As Brian continues to write, I'll see Brian's notes update in real time in the Peer Notes window. As I write about the Tesla Model 3, SmartDocs finds important entities in my writing and sets them aside for me in the sidebar. This lets me stay in the zone writing my document, and I can refer to those entities later, whenever I'm ready. I can also add my own subjects to list to research, prioritize them higher or lower, or remove them altogether. When you click the Show Research button, SmartDocs will intelligently find the most relevant sources of research based on the entities you've organized. Here's Rob to explain how.
Thanks, Will. SmartDocs does research assistance using Rosette Text Analytics for natural language processing. Rosette uses a sophisticated combination of machine learning, statistical analysis, and semantic rules to analyze text and recognize people, places, and other entities, as well as the relationships between them. Rosette can even analyze the writer's attitude toward the main objects in the writing. A key feature of SmartDocs is that it presents the research it finds for you within the app, so you don't have to leave the app to start researching. Here, the dashboard gives you a quick overview of your writing. There's a digest previewing the research found so far, a confidence score of its relevance to your writing, and the primary people and places that are mentioned. You can also click the different main sections to give you a more detailed analysis. The entity detail gives you a list of all the important subjects in the writing and the different possible definitions. The relationship detail shows if different subjects of your writing are connected and how. And then the sentiment detail reveals whether the feelings towards the subjects in your writing are positive, negative, or neutral. But the centerpiece of SmartDocs is the research that it returns for you right within the app. Here's Jake to explain those research results.
Thank you, Rob. As you just heard, our application employs a natural language processor called Rosette to analyze the user's writing contents. However, SmartDocs doesn't stop there. After the app analyzes your text, it uses what it's learned to execute a call to another database to find research relevant to the user's writing. This is more than a simple query on each of your main points. It will look specifically for data that matches a cross-section of your primary points. SmartDocs may discover a relationship that was not obvious to the user initially, which facilitates the discovery aspect of the research process. All the user needs to do is scroll through the research that's been retrieved for them and choose which ones they want to save. One technical challenge during this process involved setting up a server that ran independently from our primary environment, which could accept cross-origin requests from our app, interact with our language analytics and research database, and finally respond with the proper data.
Working on SmartDocs with this team was a great learning experience that gave our whole team a passion for what the future of writing could be. When you have a powerful, modern software working for you by providing silent analysis of your text, it allows you to continue working as you should, distraction-free. This is SmartDocs. Thank you for watching.